let's unbox my silver play button. This is something that I have strived to get for years now and never thought it would be possible for a channel that talks about investing into precious metals, but it's here. And actually, I want to share this real quick. This was a 50,000 subscriber plaque that my moderator made me for 50K. Because I genuinely never thought I would hit 100K. So let's see. Looks nice so far. Wow. Okay. Let's do this. Let's put it down so you can see better. Hopefully there's no info on here showing it's mine. So, congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged by Rick. If your award was damaged, yada yada. Okay, so here it is. Do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th, your 1000th? Chances are you do. We know you'll definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came across your channel, your audience stayed and their numbers increased because of you and the community you've built. We're proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. We know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know that your fans can't wait for you to amaze them with even more commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building, and can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we're here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your 1,000,000th subscriber, we may just write and ask, do you remember your 100,000th subscriber? And this is signed by Neil Moen, which is the CEO of YouTube. And here it is. Oh man. I could cry right now. So story time real quick. I have had the background of my computer a picture of the silver play button, because this doesn't just represent myself, but it's the entire silver stacking community. So this really does, this is a staple that shows that silver stackers are here, we're growing in numbers, and we're not going anywhere. And oh my gosh, this thing is beautiful. Wow, I'm taken away by this. Presenting to you Silver Slayer for passing 100,000 subscribers. I've had a picture of this as my wallpaper, because every day I would open my computer and I would see this, and I manifested it. You know, like someone said, yeah, you didn't manifest it from the law of attraction, it was from hard work. And I agree. You know, I've been busting my ass for years. I made my channel July 4th, 2015. Didn't start posting daily till 2017. But I never thought I'd get one of these. I thought a channel like mine could only reach 10,000 subscribers, or a channel that talks about something so, so niche as silver stacking. But I guess it's possible. So I appreciate you all. And this means a lot. It means a lot. This is ours. And someday, soon, not soon, but who knows, we will get the gold play button when we hit 100 or 1 million. So yeah, anyways, I love you all. Thank you guys for this. This means a lot. And I don't even know what to think. I just say I've thought about the moment of showing this and opening it and receiving it. I've thought about this for many, many, many years. So it is pretty cool to actually see it now, actually see something you worked so hard for, to see it manifest and actually come to life. in reality, showing that dreams and goals are, you know, they are real. And yeah, it seems like it might be a long way away, but it's worth it. And now on to the next. So anyways, thank you all so much. I appreciate you all. And yeah, keep stacking. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for tuning in. This is Silver Slayer. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.